Is it the same one?
No, it's a different one actually. It's this one has got a dual motor. Yeah, exactly. I think for a exactly. Yeah, yeah. I mean, mainly I think it might help to carry more weight, but other than but
That also depends on the power, na? What if they have distributed main motor ka power into two different small motors?
yeah, exactly. It also depends on the power, correct. The in the other single motor design, there's one motor and there's a transmission rod which transmits the power from one side of the leg to I mean one leg to the other leg. Here there are two motors, separate motors.
Okay.
So I think each approach has its pros and cons.
Correct, correct. I'll put it over there. One second. How was your work today, Divya? What did you give out to people to sample today?
The Monster energy drink.
Monster energy drink?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a good product. Did you have some?
No.
No?
I was